How to set color temperature on your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, you'll have to do is press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, okay, go to picture. Here in picture, go to feature mode settings. And now you can adjust the display settings for each picture mode. Okay, go to picture mode settings. And here in picture mode settings, scroll down to see the color temperature. Okay, the color temperature is set into standard. And now you can adjust how warm, red, or cool blue the white areas of the image appear. You'll have to do is go to color temperature. And you can see here the option. So you can set the color temperature into warm 1 or warm 2 or standard. And also you can set into cold. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the color temperature on Devant Smart TV.